Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you? I hope that you all would be fine. My name is Arsan Jamal and you are watching our channel Trixie Tips. Today in this video you are going to learn an amazing trick in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes you need to add bullet points in your cell and you have to copy and paste it from somewhere, and it is a tedious task. So to make this easy, I have done something and I will show you how I tried this trick. So to add bullet points to any cell content, you can do this, but before that I'll request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button if you like my video, and please watch this video from start till the end so that you can get the topic and you can utilize it and speed up your Excel operating. Okay, so in order to add bullet point, you can use this formula. I have this sample set in which name of fruits is written, and I will insert and connect it with the bullet point against the name of each of these words, these fruits name. So how will I do this? I will just utilize this equals to car, this formula, and bracket 149 bracket closed, and then and then this give reference to this A2 formula, A2 cell, and I have done this. So I will copy this and I will paste this. So in this way we can add bullets to any text. So it can also be done with a number. So see you in the next video where we will learn some more excellent Excel trick. Thank you. Have a nice day.